Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Today, let's talk about coffee. It is one of the softs of the futures markets, and it had a big move today. It's also one of my favorite things. So, if we look down in this bottom right-hand corner, you can see that until today, it was in this really, really nice uptrend. Couple red days in there, but really not much. And then yesterday just had a really extraordinary day up. Well, my hope is that you are not long going into today. Coffee does have some weird hours. It opens really, really early in the morning, like 2 a.m. or something crazy like that. And today it just took all of that out. So we made it back down to where we started yesterday with an even bigger range. If we look at the range, today was 28.9 out of an average of only 14.77. That is significant. And on top of that, let's do a little math. 15.10, that's the net change on the day. Each point in coffee is worth $375. So this is not a small contract by any means. If we do our multiplication, that means 5,662 and 50 cents worth of loss today. That's pretty massive. So while it is super fun to trade this thing, you also have to be very, very careful. And for me, I don't like taking it home overnight. I don't like taking it home over the weekend. I got burned really, really badly when I first started trading futures. For whatever reason, I was trading coffee because I thought that would be a good idea. So it can be a very fun contract. Just be very, very careful. If you'd like to join me at my upcoming webinar, there is a link down below to register for free. I'm going to be demonstrating for you some very, very simple hacks that you can do real time when you're trading so that you can reduce your stress and thereby make better decisions even in the midst of these wild markets. I'd love to see you there. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.